Welcome back. Today is week 17 of the Robinhood challenge. I got a couple new things, different types of money making strategies, and I'll show you guys what I've been fairly new at and I kind of got into just a couple days ago. So it's all speculation, even though I am Mr. Cashflow. We just did a few fun plays in the last week, but I got a new little lamp. It's a Salt Rock lamp. My aunt gave it to me, so shout out to you. Let's get into my portfolio. Warning, there may be loss. All right, we're into my Robinhood portfolio. As you can see, I'm not going to do the 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months thing because obviously I'm doing this new thing. It's called options trading. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. I just thought I'd try my hand. I said, okay, listen, if there were to be an amount that I wanted to lose and just, learn off of that, it would be $600. So that's exactly what I did. And you guessed it, I have put into Tesla and Starbucks and another company. So I got $147 of buying power. And just to recap of what I bought over the week, since the prices were at a dip, I have bought some more AT&T, and now you can see I have 22.65 shares. You're probably like, what? But that means that I have bought into fractional shares, which means that if I only have about, $20 and it costs $37, I could still invest $20 and get a fraction of the share, which is nice because I did also pick up, CCL, which is the Carnival Cruise Line. And their financials are great. Everything's great. Payout ratio is great. And it kind of checked off all the boxes that, I was looking for always. Actually, 7.96 shares. I'll probably kick in another $10 so I can get the 8 shares. But, that pays a good dividend too, 4.44%. And I think the payout ratio is like 40%. So, guys, that is an excellent buy. And, people are going to continue going on cruises. So that's one of the newest pickups that I added to my portfolio. But other than that, my portfolio has been solid. I think it's up like $180, but it's still racking in them dividends. That's what we all care about. Then I have some, since that I could do fractional shares now, then, I could pick up on all these stocks that I wanted to put my money into. So as you can see, SPG. Now, Simon Property Group, I always talk about them, but they had actually just bought all of the Forever 21 stores that they had in their location. So SPG is the mall corporation, right? And so within those malls, there's stores. And Forever 21 has been struggling so much. So I think SPG put in an offer for $80 million to acquire X amount of stores that were in their mall. So they just, they saw the struggle, saw that they could buy them out, and they did. And so, that helps the profit margins and everything like that and grows the company. That's probably why it's on the green. But the markets was down like all week because of the coronavirus. And guys, if you know how the stock market works, everybody gets scared. And that's when you start to be greedy, when other people are fearful. All right? Because I had got some good deals when the market was down, and I might have to snag some Ford. As you can see, $8.28, and my average cost is $8.73. So at that price, it's a deal. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and buy some right now. I'll go ahead and buy 5 of them. Oh, that's $5 worth. So this is where you would do fractional shares. See, I could put in $10 if I wanted to and buy X amount of shares. But we're gonna buy in shares, and I'm gonna buy like 5 of them. I'll do 6. So go ahead, swipe up. Bought 6 of them. So that's going to add to the cash flow of my portfolio. As you can see, done. And they kind of updated this whole thing. Yeah, let's get into now what I've been doing. As you can see right here, I got 4 option calls and puts. So an option call means that you're betting that the price of this company is going to go up. So the stock price is going to go up. And a put is betting that the stock price is going to go down. Now, unfortunately for me, me and my friend have equity into Tesla. We tried to ride the wave, but I guess we bought it right at the top. So we're doing absolutely horrible. That's my 500 and then my other friend's 500. And we're down. So, but it's a learning game right now. And then I have another Tesla call for very, very cheap. Also the Starbucks call. I'm down on. This means that I was betting that Starbucks was going to go up in price, but now I'm currently down $21, and I have a put on this company called Enva, and I'm betting that the company is going to go down. So I'm actually doing right now. I'm 23% right because it is going down. So I'm $13 positive. But, you know, as for Tesla and Starbucks, I'm down really, really bad. But that's why I set aside, you know, a certain amount of money that I wouldn't be worried about losing. And I just thought I'd give my hand and start to learn how to use, you know, options. This is just another way of making money in stock market. Like, you know, there's so many different ways you can make money. This is what I was talking about. You know, I do dividends and I have the appreciation from my stocks, but you could also do options, and you could do, like, you know, swing trades, flips, everything like that. There's all sorts of different ways, but that is what I was getting into. So yeah, as you can see, I can't really do the 1 day, 1 week, 1 month thing because obviously it's down really, really bad. So we're just going to go to dividends. I was paid out and what I'm going to be getting paid. So February 3rd, I got a fat $10.40 from AT&T. So shout out to AT&T. I had 20 shares and they pay about 52 cents per share, which is solid, good money. I got another one coming up February 11th, 29 shares at AT&T, which equals to the total amount of $4.64. That's like literally a Whopper meal. Literally a Whopper meal. And then Realty, I have 5 of them, and they pay 23 cents per share, which is $1.16. I got Apple Dividend with the $1 a month. Probably go to the Dollar Tree and go use that dollar. And then as you can see right here, Ford, I have 57 shares. I just added onto it. They pay 15 cents a share, and I'm getting a payment of $8.55. And last but not least, Fiverr. And these are ones that are in March. So just pay attention to the dates. I'm not getting that in February. I'll probably get a little bit more in February because I have other monthly dividend stocks. But as far as that, that's what it's showing right now. Like I said, Fiverr, number of shares 16, and they pay 38 cents per share, which is really good. And I think I'm going to stack up on some more, you know, PFE, Pfizer, $6.08. So yeah, that's, you know, what I've been getting into. That's, you know, it's been the last couple of days been a struggle because I'm doing this new options thing and I'm just trying it out. So it's pretty much like strategic gambling. That's exactly how I would put it. I would never call this investing. You know, this goes against everything I talk about in my regular portfolio, but this is just speculation and I'm just, you know, trying it out. I'm just not like a strategy I'm trying to use for a long time. But obviously, if it works out in my favor and I get better at it, then that's kudos to me. But if not, you know, I'm sticking to the whole dividend growth investing. So guys, thank you guys for watching. If you guys have more questions about how options work, I'll do more videos and I'll explain to you. It's fairly simple. It's not very hard, but you know, it is very risky. So just got to understand the pros and cons of what you're doing. But I'm still going strong with my dividend investing. I told you guys what I bought, and then we'll have an update about how much I'm getting paid in dividends. And I think next week probably is past due for another monthly update of how much I'm getting paid passively from my portfolio. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to the video and to the channel, because when I say like, I mean like the video, and then when I say subscribe to the channel. And I'll be dropping 3 times a week, guys. So do your thing and do me a favor, keep on smashing and keep on loving this channel. Thank you guys so much. Have a good one.